I'm Dr ISTAQUE Ahmed from Bangladesh. I had a very good time here, spending 3 days on hands-on training. In this workshop, I have learned a lot. The most important thing that I achieved is the confidence. I would like to thank all the faculties and doctors of Daradia pain hospital here. They are so passionate to teach the pain medicine to their students. They gave us the confidence, and they gave us the sufficient time to learn the scanning technique, the ultrasonograph technique, and the others technique of like CM. And at the end of the session, they showed that live demonstration of pain treatments that helps us a lot. And here I get a great hospitality, especially from Gautam sir and others faculties here. What I learned here, I think this is the start of my career, and I want to apply this learning to the patients of our country. And this is the start of my learning, and I will attend further courses hopefully. Thanks a lot.